Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring and interesting story of one of our students, Ankita. So she has done her master's from YMCA Faridabad, now popularly known as JC Bose University in Environmental Sciences. And then she was studying with us in a live online program. And she qualified her NET-JRF in the very first attempt, along with the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. Then she was preparing for the interview with our expert panel for the various prestigious places such as IIT, IISER, IISc, CSIR labs. In that series, she have qualified for the final round of the interview at Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhopal, popularly known as IISER Bhopal, which is one of the prestigious institute by MHRD for the research and academics. On such an achievement, our entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate Ankita for such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, Institute is offering the crash course for June 2024 NET-JRF in Environmental Sciences. Institute is also offering offline, online correspondence with video only correspondence and test series for NET-JRF for December 2024 and June 2025 also. Institute also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering program in offline, online and correspondence mode. Institute is also offering the CUET preparation for the master's level student for life sciences, biotech, biological sciences. Institute have also started the skill-based programs such as data analytics and data analytics with GIS and remote sensing. A very specialized training is being given to the students for proposal writing, interview, etc. So those who are willing to join us, don't wait for too long. If you join on time, the success will be yours in the shortest time period. Thank you.